Hello everybody, welcome back to Dad's Read Along Stories. My name is Josh, I'm a dad, and I just want to say thank you. We just hit 500 subscribers, which is amazing, and I'm so glad that you like reading these books. I'm just a dad, I have 5 kids, but I love to read books, so I just thought I'd share it, and it's cool that people are liking that and appreciating that. And one thing I've learned about kids, since I have 5 of them, is that all kids, probably all, maybe just most, but most kids love bulldozers and construction vehicles. And today we're going to be reading Bulldozer's Big Day, and I think you are going to like it as well. Bulldozer's Big Day by Candace Fleming and Eric Roman. It was Bulldozer's big day, and he couldn't wait to invite all his friends to his party. Party. I love parties. Motor humming and blade held high, he zoomed, bump vroom, across the construction site. Guess what today is? Whooped Bulldozer when he got to where Digger Truck was working. Guess, Digger boomed. I don't need to guess, kid. Today is a scooping day. Scooping. And a sifting day, Dump Truck rumbled. Sifting. Bulldozer's blade drooped a little. He rolled to where Cement Mixer was working. Guess what today is, said Bulldozer. I already know, Cement Mixer belched. Today is a stirring day. Stirring. And Bulldozer's blade drooped a bit lower. He rumbled to where Scraper and Grader were working. Guess what? Began Bulldozer. Guess, Scraper rattled. Who has time to guess? Today is a filling day. Filling. And a chopping day, Grader clattered. Chopping. And Bulldozer's blade drooped lower still. He bumped to where Roller Truck was working. Do you care what today is? Asked Bulldozer. No, Roller grumbled. With a hiss of smoke, he huffed away. Mashing day, he muttered. Mashing. Hey, sorry to interrupt. Could you do something for me really quick? Could you like this video and could you subscribe to my YouTube channel? That would help me to be able to make so many more videos for you guys, and it would be so awesome. Thank you so much. And Bulldozer's blade drooped so low it almost touched the ground. He crawled to where Crane Truck was working. I don't suppose you know what today is, Bulldozer said with a sigh. Of course I do, Crane clanged. You do? Asked Bulldozer. His blade rose hopefully. It's a lifting day, Crane banged. Lifting. And this is my 6th and last. The construction whistle blew. Bulldozer turned away, his blade dragging sadly in the dirt. No games, he sniffled. No friends. No party. Then, woot! Feeve! A different kind of whistle blew. Toot! Hoot! What is going on? Lots of whistles blew. Toot. What are they bringing out of the ground? What is that? Is that a giant birthday cake? You do know what today is, cried Bulldozer. And as his friends revved their engines and honked their horns, Bulldozer raised his blade high and made a wish. Hooray! Blared the others. Then Bulldozer squealed. What are we waiting for? Let's dig in. And they did. That's a giant construction cake. Wow. They did not forget his birthday. They were getting the cake ready. That's awesome. Thank you guys so much. That's the end of the book. Thank you so much for reading Bulldozer's Big Day. Maybe today's your birthday and it's your big day. And I just want to say good job. I hope you have a great day. Even if it's not your birthday, I hope you have a big day today. Go out, be a positive person in this world. Be kind to others, and I will catch you next time that we read some books together on Dad's Read Along Stories.